first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, I haven't done a hair tutorial in quite some time. I think the last one that I done was how I straightened my hair. So I'm going to show you guys today a quick and easy way to do the well-inspired Bella Hadid high ponytail look. So this will just be a quick tutorial if you like that ponytail and you want to rock it to some event. Let's get started. So I've got a middle path. My old trusty, I always go to a middle path when I wash my hair. So I've just washed my hair and left it to dry so it's not straightened. And for that reason, I'll show you guys what I will be using. You firstly need a hair tie, right? I will be using hair food. That's what we call it over here. This is the Palmer's brand, to lay my hair nice and flat. You can use hairspray as well. I have just chosen not to use hairspray, as hairspray makes your hair quite hard and I don't want my hair to be hard for this look, so I'm just going to lay it with this. But you can use any type of product that you use to like lay your edges and things as well, just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth, right? I'm going to use a hard bristle brush, a comb, and then also a soft bristle brush, and then lastly a bobby pin. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, my mirror's on this side, guys, so excuse me if I tend to peep this way, just to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So I'm gonna start on the side of my head, guys. I'm gonna make a little path like this. Okay, right, so my hair is different layers. The front piece, you will see there, it falls out now, the short hair. Here's some more as well. This long piece I'm going to put to the back with the rest of the hair. But if your hair is all one length, then you can just make a little part to the side. So basically all my front shorter hair, this whole layer in the front, or bangs, that's actually grown out. So this is what I'm going to keep to do my side swipe. For yourself, if your hair is all one length, then you can just take about, this is about 1 to 3 centimeters thick in terms of width. You can take a piece like that, 3 or 4 centimeters, that you're going to use for your side swipe. Okay, so I've got that. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to start with my hard bristle brush, and I'm going to go upwards. Okay, right, up, 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 right around to get all the hair up. If your hair has been straightened or you have a thinner strand of hair, you don't need to use a hard bristle brush. I'm just choosing through so because my hair has not been straightened and I have a lot of hair, so a hard bristle brush just will do the trick for me right now, more so than a soft one. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the hair tie, make sure to get it nice and high, guys. Okay, I'm going to get that on there. All right. So you see over here, still needs smoothing out, but that's what the soft brush will be doing. I'm going to take some of the hair food, as we call it over here. I don't know, I don't really know what other countries call it. So I'm just gonna get this little bit onto my hair over here, and then I'm gonna take the soft bristle brush and start smoothing it out, right? So stick this here for me. Okay. So next, I am going to grab a piece of hair from this end. Okay. I would say make it about 2 centimeters thick. Right, as you can see, I have not straightened my hair, it's just washed and left it to air dry. I'm going to take some more of the hair food only because my hair has not been straightened. Otherwise I would not put such a lot of, I don't usually put a lot of product on my hair, but this is just so that it lays nice and smooth. Please do forgive me if I am out of breath. I am quite highly pregnant and that's why I'm laughing and puffing basically. Baby's just really big and all over. So I'll just give this a comb, right? Here we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by going underneath the ponytail. Take it with the other hand and I'm going to go down. So you're basically going to use this piece and you're going to wrap it around your ponytail until you get to the end of the length of your hair. So you keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Right, so I've reached the end. Where did I put the bobby pin? So you're going to grab your bobby pin. I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to take this piece and press it down into the ponytail. There we go. All right. Okay. Then I'm just going to go back in with my flat brush and try and smoothen out these ears a bit more over here. So this piece, I'm using my smooth or softer brush, right? You can see here some flyaways. I'm going to get that out the way. I'm going to side swipe this one over. Please don't mind the grays. Right, and just tuck that behind my ear. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think. As I said, my hair is quite frizzy at the back. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've got it nice up nice and high. So the higher you go, obviously the better it will look from the front, right? And you want that kind of effect when you smooth out your hair as well. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I do hope that it was helpful, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next video.